What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So I picked up this dash cam just because I'm tired of some of these drivers on the road. I almost got T-boned going through a green light, and because somebody ran a red light, and then some car in the slow lane cut me off because they didn't stop at the the red light on their side as well, and jumped in front of me because they just blew through the light. So I almost got T-boned, and then I almost hit somebody because some people just don't stop at lights for some reason. And I figured it'd be a good thing to have in my business trucks. And I also, I'm going to end up picking a couple more up, one for my wife's vehicle and stuff. And so this is new. It actually doesn't have many accessories out yet. It is called the Yada RoadCam AI Plus 4K AI Dash Cam. It actually has most features I've ever seen. It is a combo kit, 4K AI Dash Cam and rear cam set. So the front camera is 4K 1080p options. The rear cam is 1080p. It does audio notifications, smart incident recording, speed detection, distance detection, GPS built in. It does have an app, 360 protection, and then on the back, it has wide viewing angle, wide dynamic range, smart incident recording, GPS built in, loop recording, digital clock. It comes with the 4K AI cam, a rear camera, 64 gig memory card. You can go up to 512 gigs, so I bought a SanDisk a U3, 200 megabytes a second SanDisk card for 53 bucks. 12 volt, 24 volt power adapter, 11.5 feet, 3.5 meter USB A to USB C power cable, 3M VHB double-sided tape, electrostatic sticker that you can put on your window to protect your filming, instruction manual, and this thing has tons and tons of features. It's got lane departure, left and right. If you center it on the dash, in the front and the rear, it's got proximity availability to tell you if you're too close to somebody's rear bumper, if somebody's too close to your bumper. It has some pretty awesome features, and excuse my fingers, I just got done working on a vehicle. I will clean my fingers in a bit, so I apologize. I just got working on doing a transmission in a 2000 Chevy Silverado, so sorry about that. But there is tons and tons of features on this. I'm doing this recording on my phone, so I can't list off the features from the screen recordings or a website. But it has pedestrian alert. If there's slow moving or non-moving pedestrians on how close you are to them. It's got collision alerts that before you end up hitting or coming close to somebody. They do not have the hardwire kit. I actually called them. Their website said they're not open on Sundays, but I called. Lady answered the phone. She was really nice. So that's a plus in my opinion. Customer service was actually pretty good. She was an Asian lady. Awesome. Hardwire kit's not even out yet. It's a brand new camera. It's only been out 2 weeks. Available in Walmart for the last couple weeks, I believe. But she's going to send me an email tomorrow, get more information, let me know when the hardwire kits are available to hardwire it into the truck. So that's pretty awesome. And it does lots of other things. You can set it to auto record. You can set it to record audio or not record audio. It's got the G-force sensors in it, as well as it's got all kinds of other features, which is pretty neat. It actually monitors the lines on the road. I'll do a separate video down the road. After using it a little bit, playing with it, I'll probably do a separate video showing what it looks like. It's got a 3-inch screen for the main front camera, which is pretty nice. And it's actually got these little lines down here that actually light up and tell you what side the vehicle is on, if there's a vehicle approaching near you, which is pretty cool, especially for vehicles that are like 2007 for me and older. None of my vehicles have lane departure or any of those features. Well, a few of them don't. They don't have lane departure, but they have like backup cameras and they follow the lines and stuff like that. But this is pretty neat. I figured I would show it to you guys. Oh, this was never taken off, but I can get that off, not a big deal. I thought I'd show it. If you guys have any experience with it, you can give me your thoughts. It'll go up to 140 degrees outside, so I'm hoping that this is gonna work pretty well in the heat here. It gets about 125 here, so in vehicles it could definitely hit above 145. But it'd be nice to see what it can do. I just wanted to show this information with you guys. My first impressions. Customer service was pretty amazing. It's a Sunday. Their website says nobody's available. I was impressed that somebody answered the phone. I figured I was going to have to leave a voicemail, but that was pretty awesome, in my opinion. She said thank you for buying their dash cam, and she'll get back to me as soon as she can get the information from one of the developers. So that's pretty awesome in my opinion for a company. A lot of companies don't answer within the first few minutes, like 30 seconds or a minute or so. She was extremely nice. So that's always a plus in my opinion. The information states to plug it into a USB-A to USB-C port and turn it on before you install it, just to make sure everything functions properly, and so you can orient the camera for the rear, because it's got to be oriented a specific direction. They say put it on the glass, but my rear glass rolls down, so I'm just going to mount it to my plastic trim right at the door seam where the headliner is for the rear. But I don't know if they're going to have other mount options. I don't like the glue option because, the 3M tape. That the only thing I don't like about it is I think the only option they give you at the moment. They might give you a suction cup option or something like that, which is easily replaceable, or I could probably find one that would mount. I guess I'll have to get it open. But I just wanted to give the information. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your weekend, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.